Hey guys, this is Thomas from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to make avatar sticker on Instagram. Follow these steps and you'll learn how it's done. Open Instagram app on your mobile and log into your Instagram profile. Tap on the freelance icon at the upper right corner. Proceed to Settings. Click on Account. Proceed to Avatars section. Tap on Get Started button. Select skin tone for your Instagram avatar and press on Next. Here you will be able to choose the hair color, hairstyle, and even face shape of your new avatar. After you are done editing all these settings, simply click on Done at the top right corner, and your avatar will be created. That's it for this video. I hope this guide was helpful and you are able to make avatar sticker on Instagram. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.